Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
So in this problem, we are considering the quantum numbers for the ground state of two specific atoms. So we're considering carbon C equals 6 and aluminum C equals 13. Now, we have four quantum numbers to consider, which are the principal quantum number, which tells us what energy level the electron is on, that's labeled by n. The orbital magnetic number, which tells us the angular momentum. The magnetic quantum number, which tells about the direction of this angular momentum, and the spin quantum number, which tells us whether the spin is oriented up or down. So we represent all the possible cases used by these four numbers ordered in this way, NL, ML, MS. And since we're looking at the ground state quantum numbers, all we're going to do is just fill up the orbitals. So we start considering C equals 6. So since there's C equals 6, there's 6 electrons, they start filling up. So the principal quantum number has to be 1. Now, since the principal quantum number is fixed at 1, both L and ML are 0. So we have 1, 0, 0, 1 half, and 1, 0, 0, minus 1 half. Now we go up to 2. Now, when we go up to 2, first we consider the case where L and ML are both 0. So we have 2, 0, 0, 1 half, and 2, 0, 0, minus 1 half. Now, L goes up to 1. And since we're filling up by lowest energy, ML first takes on its lowest value, which is minus 1. So we have to consider 2, 1, minus 1, 1 half, and then 2, 1, minus 1, minus 1 half. And then we stop because we have filled up all the orbitals were at C equals 6, so we only have the 6 possible configurations. Now we go to C equals 13. Now, since we're filling up the orbitals, the first 6 orbitals in C equals 13, they have the exact same 4 that we just found for C equals 6, so we just need to calculate 5 more. So we have the same first 6 ones, and now the first new one starts here, which is now ML is allowed to go one value higher up to 0. So we have 2, 1, 0, 1 half, and 2, 1, 0, minus 1 half. Now ML can go up to 1 since L is fixed at 1. So we have 2, 1, 1, 1 half, and 2, 1, 1, minus 1 half. So now that fills up the levels with n equals 2. We still haven't reached 13, so we have to go to n equals 3. We go to n equals 3, we consider first the case so L is set to 0. We have 3, 0, 0, 1 half, and 3, 0, 0, minus 1 half. And again, we start for the next ones, we'll start with ML negative because that has the lowest energy. And we have 3, 1, minus 1 half, and that's it. We reached 13. So we have filled up the available states of lowest energy.